structures we have started, and we have discussed about how to define a structures, how to create a structure variable, and how to access the structure members. These are all the things we have discussed, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in this class, we are going to discuss about okay different various concepts of structures. Okay, let me see one by one. So my screen is visible. So my screen is visible here.
Yes, sir.
So these are all some. So here we have started the unit 5. In that we have discussed about structures. So just tell me what is mean by structures. What is the definition, ma? Look at this and tell me why we are going for structures. Quick, tell me here.
So that we can group together data items of different data types.
Very good. Yes. In order to group the different data items belong to different data types means same collection of data type with respect to same similar data type means we should go for an array concepts, right? So here we are going to talk. We are going to take the collection of data items which all belong to different data types. That's what we are moving to the structure concepts. Okay. That need of structures also I've discussed, right?
Yes,
The
sir.
same thing we can implement with the help of array concepts also, but it may leads to large number of codings, right? Lines may be very high, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. In structures, we are grouping all the data into one particular data type. That is actually structure is nothing but a user-defined data type, so that we can able to create our own data type with the collection of data item which is belong to different data types. Am I right? This is the
Yes, sir.
essential need of structures. Okay. So example program also we have need of structures and all the memory size and all we have discussed. What is that memory size? How it is allocated between the structures and arrays and all we have discussed. Then structure definition we have discussed, right? How to define a structure, syntax and all, structure name, data type member one, data type member two, up to we should have to create like this. And how to create a structure variable here. How to create a structure variable. This is a student. Okay, student structure. Okay, this is my own data type. In that I've stored register number, name, department, average, mark 1, mark 2, mark 3. Where I created a structure variable. Tell
So
me here.
student Indian.
Inian is nothing but my structure variable for student. Okay. So what is the syntax? Structure, that is structure name. Okay, space variable name, that is structure variable. So this is the syntax, structure name variable. So and how we are going to initialize the structure member. These are all this. Okay, this is structure. Student is my structure name. What is this? Register number, name, department, average, M1, M2, M3. This and all. What is this?
Members.
Structure members. Okay, this is my structure. Student is my structure. Okay, or otherwise it is my own data type created. In that register number, name, department, average, M1, M2, M3 are the structure members or data items which are belong to different data types. Clear? Is it clear? How to
Yes,
initialize
sir.
the structure? How will you access the structure member here? Suppose if you are going to initialize some values to this structure member, how will you initialize? What is the syntax? What is this?
You use the dot operator.
Dot operator. Why we are using this dot operator here? If it is a normal variable, normal integer variable means directly we can assign in the register number equal to 101. Since it is a structure member, how we are going to initialize structure variable dot. Okay, structure variable dot member name. Okay, got it? So structure variable is
Yes, sir.
inian dot register number. Okay, dot member name. Member name is register number. So in this way, I have to initialize it. Got it? Then how I'm going to perform some average operation here? Suppose if I'm going to calculate the average of 3 marks, in the sense the same thing. Okay, m1 plus m2 divided by m plus m1 plus m2 plus m3 divided by 3. Since it is a structure member, so inian dot m1 plus inian dot m2 plus inian dot m3 divided by 3. Okay, this is not 3 3, this is m3 divided by 3. Then we are going to printing, in the sense we are going to printing these details, right? So 1 minute. So this is okay. So this is m3. Okay, how will you going to print it here? Printf slash n percentage d. Next we are going to printing it department, right? Inian dot de, inian dot de. Then you can print, okay, average also. Okay, slash n. What is the percentage? F, right? F. What are you
Yes,
going
sir.
to printing it? Inian dot structure variable dot member name. Member is average, avg. Got it? Do you have any doubt in this one? That's it. Okay, the main function starts here, ends here. Before the main function itself, we should have to define the structure. That's it. Do you have any doubt? This is okay. Structure name. Okay, these are all the structure member definition. Okay, data type, member name, data type, member. Okay, this is up to what all the data members you have. We can structure members you have. We can define it. Then definitely you should have to create a structure. Okay, there are two ways of creating a structure variable. Okay, one way is this one. This one is fine. In the main function, you can able to create a structure variable with the help of structure, that is structure name, student. Okay, then variable name. Okay, so another way is also there. So another way is, instead of here, okay, uh, here itself we can able to create, for example, Indians. If you have done this, okay, no need to, this one is not needed. Got it?
Yes, sir.
The structure definition itself, we can also able to create a structure variable also. Structure student, okay, structure. After defining all the structure members, okay, after closing the structure, we can also define a structure variable. If you have done this, no need to do this. Suppose if I not not created a structure variable in the main functions, okay, you can also create this one. So 1 minute. Sure. So do you have any doubt in this one up to this? One more thing I just forgot to tell this. Okay, so here how to create a structure variable, in the sense, okay, struct, I forgot here. Here you should, here struct, struct, you should have to put a struct structure name, student, then variable. This I forgot to put the structure here. Struct keyword here. Here also you can put struct space structure name space variable. Got it? Got it, ma?
Yes, sir.
Sure. Okay. Next, we are going to discuss about arrays within structure. Arrays within structure. So, what is mean by arrays within structure?
So you initialize an array inside a structure.
Arrays within structure in the sense in the structure. Okay, for example, okay, shall I write the program so that you could understood? Student. This is character. Tell me here. In this program, you are going to get 5 register number. Okay, name, average, and marks. Average you are going to calculate and tell me. These are all the details you are going to get it from the user. How will you do this?
So we can say struct student s1 equals
Hmm.
open curly bracket, and then you can enter the details.
Okay. So 1 minute. Okay. So shall I do like this? Int I equal to 1, I less than or equal to 5, I plus plus scanf percentage d ampersand register number in register number percentage yes, percentage yes. here?
So can you repeat your voice lag?
Yeah. Now it's fine.
Yes or no, it's fine.
Oh, S1 dot is equal to S1 dot how will you calculate the average? Shall I do inside the loop or after the loop we can do it?
After the loop, we can do it.
Total shall after the loop how we can do it?
So wouldn't we be calculating total marks?
Yes, total marks.
So we can't calculate it in the loop because it'll take that mark, right?
Okay.
So after the loop, we need to we have to initialize a total variable
Yes.
and then add the marks.
So for that also we should put loop, right?
Yes, sir. So total equals total plus marks of I.
Okay. Here for I equal to 1, I less than or equal to 5 plus. Directly we can calculate the average. So then total equal to, how will you do it?
Total plus marks of I.
Yes, total plus S1
S1 dot
marks of I, right?
I. Yes, sir.
Okay. At last.
Then you can
Here,
manually
and
calculate average.
then here you can declare. Shall I declare here?
Yes, sir.
Int total equal to 0 initially. Then S1 dot
Average
AVG yes,
is equal to
equal to
total divided by
okay, total divided by 5, right?
yes, sir.
How will you print all the details? Again use for loop.
So for loop again and then print each average or print all the details.
Enter percentage D. Enter percentage yes. S1 dot percentage D. Last print average. Percentage F. S1 dot AVG. So okay, just look at this program and tell me, do you have any doubt? What is the program? What is the concept? Array within structure, right? Tell me here, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, where the array within structure concept has been implemented. Structure is there or not in the program?
Yes, sir.
So structure is there, then structure variables also there. So structure concept is there. Okay, this one is fine. What is mean by array within structures? Array concept is there.
Yes, sir.
Where
sir,
the
yes,
array
sir.
concept is there.
They're inside the structure.
So
Inside the
okay,
structure.
arrays within structure, right? Is structure. Okay, that is array is present within the structure, right? Got
Yes,
it.
sir.
Within the structure, array is present,
Yes.
right? These are
Yes,
all the
sir.
arrays, right? So this is nothing, but this is very important thing. Arrays within structures. Okay, now we got it, right? So I define the
Yes, sir.
structure called student in that, okay, all the data members are in the form of arrays. Okay. So arrays means definitely closely related to for, definitely looping concept is also comes into the picture. So for the student, I have created a one structure variable called S1. Okay. Through the S1, I am going to access the register number. That is the meaning is student one. Okay. The first student register number, name, average, marks, and all I'm going to get it. Okay. The register number, name, and marks, I'm getting it from the user. Okay. And average I'm going to calculate from average through the formula. Okay, you just look at this one. This is S1 is the variable I've created it. So you just look at this one. Why I'm using the for loop? For example, not it's not a single student. Here it is a collection of variables, right? S1, for example, S1 is just considered as it's one of a class. A class may consist of different students, right? Different register number, collection of register number, name, average, marks, and all, right? You just think in that perspective. Then why I'm using the for loop? Int I int total equal to 0. Why I initialized it? These are all the normal variable. Okay, so because I'm going to calculate the average, so that total equal to 0. So by just look at this for loop. What is this? I'm going to get 5 register number, 5 student register number, 5 students name, and 5 students marks. Got it? How will I get it?
Yes, sir.
So through the for loop, I'm getting it one by one. Okay, and yes, what is this? Scanf syntax, you know, right? Percentage D ampersand. Okay, how will you access the structure member?
The structure name dot structure member.
Structure name or structure variable?
Structure variable, sorry.
Structure variable dot member name. So since it is an
Yes,
array,
sir.
so I've used for loop. Okay, first student register number, I'm getting it from the user. Okay, for example, for first class, okay, this is okay, any class. Okay, first if I write it now, program will be confusing. Okay, so first register number, I'm getting it. Okay, some say for example 101, I'm getting it. Next, what is this? Percentage is s1 dot name of I, in the sense what I'm getting it.
All the names of from the array.
First name I'm getting it. For after getting the register number, for example, register number 101. Next I'm getting the student name, Arun. Okay, next one I'm going to get the, what is this? Tell me here. Marks and all I'm getting it
Marks.
90. Okay, 80. 5 times I'm getting all these things. Okay, and after that I'm going to calculate the total also. So this is the formula for average, right? Why total? Why I didn't put si dot total? Sorry, s1 dot total.
This total is not a part of the
Total add,
structure.
yes, total is not a part of the structure. Total is nothing but a normal integer variable. So that total equal to total plus marks. I'm going to add it, right? So marks is the structure member. So how will I access it? Access it through the structure variable, right? So the structure variable dot. So the average totals I've calculated it, and apart from that, so this is average. How I'm going to calculate it? Total divided by 5, and after that I'm just printing all these details. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Do you have any doubt in this program? This
No,
is
sir, no
called as
doubt.
arrays within structures. Okay. Next one is array of structures. Array of structures. Very important thing. This is the one. So what does mean by array of structure? For
So, like
example,
structures within arrays.
structures within arrays means, okay, in the structure, okay, within the
Like,
structure,
so
array
the
is there,
array
right?
elements are declared as structures, I mean.
Very good. Array of structures in the sense, okay, for example, here it is there, right? For example, here it is there, right? If I put, shall I, okay, here I'm writing it, okay, so that if I change now, that will be confusing for you. Start, okay, student, okay, yes is the structure variable. What is this? What is this? Hey, so look at this one. This
Array.
is the structure variable I've
An array.
created. This is called as array of structures, right? Here the structure variable is nothing but an array concept, right? Instead of here I just one for okay, This is different. Okay, this is array of structures, right? So where it can be used here?
So it'll be like struct student, and then when you're declaring, you say
Suppose
struct
if you are going
student
to get,
and
for example,
the
okay,
array
the
name.
same thing. Okay, if you are going to get, okay, 10 student details, okay, that is register number, okay, marks, name, then average you are going to get it. Shall I write the program for this one? Suppose,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
okay, example. Yeah, okay, not student. Any other thing? Any other not from student? Any other data type? It's okay. So
So you could do some like related to sales or whatever if you want.
sure, okay. Now you tell me. Okay, so the same thing I'm writing it. Okay, so int register number. So char name. Mm, then M1, M2, M3. Then float. Then void main. Start student. See, look at the program. What I'm writing it. Then comma so percentage yes. So plus so See, look at this program and tell me. Tell me here. This is called as array of structures, right?
Yes, sir.
How it
Yes,
would be
sir.
array of structures?
Sir, when calling the structure in the main function, you declared it as an
This is
array
called
instead.
as yes, array of structures. Okay, array, you know, right? So this is array of structures. Okay, whether it has been array within structure in this program is there. That concept is also there in the program, or
No, sir.
array within structure. It is there, right? Array is there, right?
Array within structures. Array.
Yes,
Yes,
array
sir.
within
Yes.
structure is also there. Array of structures is also there. Here, this is nothing but a structure variable, right? Structure variable is being declared as array of structures. So instead of creating a only one structure variable, I'm creating an array of structure variable. That means here in this program, okay, normal program, okay, here how many inian is the only one structure variable, okay. By with the help of that structure variable, I can able to store only one student detail. Am I right or wrong?
Yes,
One
sir.
student register number, okay, name, department, marks and all, I'm getting it. Average, one student average, I'm going to I'm calculated it, just I'm printing it. That's it, right? I've done in this program because I've created only one structure variable. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Look at this program. This is for your understanding, but concept wise, it's not close. Okay. So while elaborating the arrays within structure only, I'm just doing this. This is here with the help of one structure variable. Okay, actually this is nothing but one class. Okay, a class in the structure variable I've created. Within that structure variable, I can access different register numbers, by student register numbers, marks and all. After that, okay, uh, here you may have a doubt, right? Just look at this one. Only one structure variable I've used. Okay, but here the structure members are here. It is an array. So just for that only I told that this is a class. Okay, this is a class in the sense, imagine S1 is nothing but a class. So for that particular class, I'm getting the difference, 5 student register number, name and marks. I'm calculating the average. I'm printing it. Okay, here 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 the concept by using the array of structure, we are going to calculate the 5 different students. Okay, suppose array of structures in the sense, what is this?
So you're finding the details of 5 students.
5 students. Okay, if it is 100 means we can able to access 100 students. Which one is apt? Okay, so for your understanding purpose only I wrote this program. Okay, so this is the apt one. For those, which concept is better here, this one or this one?
Array of structure.
Array of structure is the apt one. Okay, so you just look at these things and tell me. So this is called as array of structures. Why it is in the sense, here structure variable will be declared as an array. So it is nothing but an array of structure. Okay, structure variable student, this is okay. S is nothing but a structure variable. S of I is nothing but a array of structure. Okay, so what is that, this for loop determining? What is this?
So we'll scan each
Scan of I'm
each
getting as a
student's
first
details.
student. What is this? S of I dot register
As
number.
first student's
First
register number.
student register number. For example, say it is Arun. Okay, okay. Arun register number is 101. Okay, next one. Arun mark is, okay, mark I'm getting it, right? So Arun mark is some example 90. Okay, second mark is here 2 marks I'm getting it. Okay, that is 80, 90. Then I'm just getting the name. Okay, name is Arun. Then after that, here I'm just calculating the averages, right? See, this is not the bracket. Okay, this is angled bracket. So how I'm calculating it? Tell me here, average is nothing but a structure member, right?
Yes, sir.
So that's what, okay, S of I. Okay, since it is an array, so I, S of I dot first student average, I'm calculating it. How I'm going to calculate the first student average? That is Arun marks, I'm going to calculate it, right? So Arun mark 1, Arun mark 2, Arun mark 3, it is added and divided by 3. So that is stored in the first student average. And after that, by using like that second student. I equal to 2, I2 less than or equal to 5, condition true, next student. For example, next student is Aditya Ganesh. Okay, so next student Aditya Ganesh, register number is 102, marks I'm going to get it 90, 80, 90. Okay, then I'm going to get his name, that is Aditya Ganesh. Then I'm printing I'm calculating the average for thickness, that is 90 plus 80 plus 90 divided by 3. This I'm going to calculate it. Then after that I'm printing all those detail again. Okay, register number I'm printing it, the marks also name I'm printing it, Aditya Ganesh. Then marks what is code is I'm printing it. Then average for example 94. Got it?
Yes, sir.
In this way, I'm going to get the input for 5 students, register number, mark 1, mark 2, mark 3, and name. Then 5 student average, I'm going to calculate with the help of these for loop. Then 5 student details, what I'm getting, I'm just printing with an average also. Got it? Do you have any doubt in this program? Structure and
Yes, sir.
union is very simple. This is very important concept. Okay, array of structures. Do you have any doubt in this one? Tell me here. Shall we go to the next concept? Just work it out. Okay, just do the program. Okay, the any online compiler and get the output. Shall I do the next program? So okay, you just do the homework. Okay, you just create an what you call the array of employee. Okay, create an employee. Data members is employee ID, employee designation, employee name. Okay, then employee basic payroll calculation, you know, right? Employee DA, employee TA, basic allowances, dearness allowances, HRE house rent allowances, and all you just get it. Okay, then total salary you should have to calculate it. Got it? Can you do as a homework?
Yes, sir.
5 employee details you should have to fetch it. Okay, the same, instead of student you just get it. Okay, create a class structure name as employee. Okay, in that you can define whatever the data members you can allocate for that employee ID, name, designation, everything. Then salary you should have to calculate. For that basic salary and alone you just calculate it. Okay, so I'll do for example basic pay. Okay, basic pay you just get it from the user. How will you calculate the your dearness allowance is 10% of basic pay. Okay, then your house rent allowance is some 5% of your basic pay. Okay, then travel allowances, that is some 3% of your basic pay. Okay, then what are the other things? Okay, then total salary equal to DA plus HRA plus TA. Can you able to do this with help of array of structure? How will you do this? How will you calculate the DA, ma? 10% of, if my basic pay is 5,000, okay, 10% is, how will you calculate?
So
10
500.
divided by 100, right? So 500. So here you should have to implement like this. Only basic pay alone, you just get it from the user. Okay, employee ID, employee name, employee designation, basic pay you should get it. Then these and all you should put it in the calculation part. How we are going to calculate the total salary, right? That and all you just put it in the form of calculation like this. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next one is, next class, while coming to the next class, everyone okay can able to show the code, executable code, you should have to show it. Next one is nested structure. What is mean by nested structure? Structure, you know, right? You know the structure. Okay,
So like structure in a structure, that's what a nested
very good,
structure.
very good, very good. Yeah, structure within the structure is called as nested structure. Okay, nested if all you know, right? If within if, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
if this is called as nested if, right? What is mean by nested for loop?
So
For
result
within
and
for
for
loop,
loop.
right?
loop.
Yes. Like this. This is nested for loop, right? So what is mean by nested structure? So struct. Okay. So struct is there. Then again create another structure. Okay. For example, student. For example, here some address. So what is this? Structure within structure is called as nested structure. In which case it will be useful, ma? For example, if you are going to fetch the
Sir, if
details, ma.
each detail has its own details.
Yes.
Um,
Any
if
example for this?
Sir, if in the for school record, if you want to maintain all the student names and each student
Okay.
has their own details, so you'll
Okay.
need
Okay.
two structures for that.
Yes. Yes.
So if you include stuff like admission dates or date of births and all that, you
Very
could
good.
use
Very,
another structure.
very good. Very good. For example, here, okay. For example, one student, okay, struct student. Okay. In that first, okay. Here, what is the basic data members of student, ma? Int, register number. Tell me here.
So
Name,
name,
then mobile number, right?
yes, sir.
Okay, mobile number. Mobile number. Then what are the basic details? Father name, mother name. These are all the basic details, right?
Address.
Okay. Address, everything. Okay. So after that, again, I'm creating another structure. Struct. Okay, here basic details. Okay. Struct academics. What are all the academics detail?
Marks,
Marks, CT1 marks, CT2 marks, CT3,
CGPA average.
CGPA, everything, right? So sorry, mark 1, okay, that is CT1 mark, CT2, everything, CGPA, okay, float is CGPA, everything. Then I'm creating another structure. For example, like this, I'm creating another structure, struct sports. In this, what are all the data members? Definitely here also register number should be there. Then sports name, right? What you have
Yes,
achieved.
sir.
Okay. So like this, okay, we can, okay. So now look at this one. Look at the structure, the basic outer structure having the basic details of the students and inner structure having the record is separately maintained, right? Academics separate and extracurricular activities separate.
Yes, sir. So you can't do it here.
Okay. So if you now we got it right, why we need for nested structure. If we want the academic detail separately, we can able to get it and
Yes,
print it,
sir.
right? So sports detail, any extracurricular activities apart from academics, we can able to get it, right? So you should not tell that, for example, in 60 students, okay, some 5 students may be in sports, right? Suppose if I, so here also we can able to, with a single structure also, we can able to create the same thing, okay? But suppose in sports, okay, care, sports name, if I'm going to create it, sports, okay, sports, okay, name, okay, this is my sports name. Okay, if I'm creating it as a common in the sense, it will be allocated for all the 60 students, right? If I created, okay, so there is no need of structure within structure, okay, there is no concept like that, okay, imagine that sports name, okay, if I'm, okay, in the within a void main, I'm creating, okay, creating struct student S1 of 50, S of 50. So what it will be there? Only 50 students having, sorry, 60, all the 60 students having the academic details. Only 10 students got the sports details, right? Tell me here, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If I commonly created this means, So okay, so 1 to 50 students, okay, automatically whenever the structure is creating, okay, automatically the memory space also will be allocated, right? So S of I dot sports name will be applicable for S of I first student. Tell me here, only 50, first 50 students, sorry, last 10 students, okay, for in our class, okay, for last 5 students only, okay, 60 students in our class. Okay, first students having the sports name, tell me here, because he is nowhere related with sports, correct?
Yes, sir.
But this is the difficulty. Okay, suppose if he doesn't have structure within structure concepts, got it? If you have structure within structure concepts, okay, direct, okay, what all the sports person we can, okay, in our class, we directly goes to that number and fetch the details. Okay, shall we write the example programs, EC program, so that you could understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Okay. Hmm. So you look at this program and tell me here, what is this structure within structure program concepts, right?
Yes, sir.
So okay, which one is structure within structure? So why I created a structure called a DOB, date of birth?
Because each student will have a separate date of birth.
Date of birth, right? Why we can't able to given as a single entity? The date of birth consists of date, month, and year, right?
So we could
Maybe in different
we either
format, right?
yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. For example, 29/5. Okay. Suppose 1980, for example, or 1990. Okay. Anything. Okay. So how will you get it as a single data type? Got it? This is your date of birth, right? Any data
Yes, sir.
format, right? Which format is this? Either integer or character or float. I put this one and all. If any user, if I'm going to get it from the user as a date of birth, how the user may enter it? Some user may enter like this, or some user may enter a year, then month, then 29, right?
So you
Day,
could just
month,
put
year
date,
format
month,
or
and year
year.
separately.
Where some people may give March 5 2000, sorry, 1980, right? There may be different chances are there, right?
Yes, sir.
So for that only I've created another structure, okay, for date of birth. In that I clearly mentioned, right? Date, month, and year should be an integer. Okay, separately I'm going to get it. Got it? Instead of creating a single date structure member, I've created another structure because it consists of again three components, right? Date, month, and year, right? For address also, if I'm
Yes,
going
sir.
to get the address also, can able to get it the address at a character variable. Suppose can able to get it like this, char sum of 50, sorry, char address, can able to get like this, because address consists of what may be the address here. First may be the door number, right? That may be an integer.
Be
Then
different for everything.
a street name should be there, that will be a character. Then country, sorry, district name should be there. Then pin code is also there, right? That may be an
Yes,
integer,
sir.
right? So for that type and all, you can create another structure. Okay, register number is a single thing, right? Single, it's a combination of numbers only. Name is also, it's a combination of characters. Mark 1, mark 2, all are integers. The average is also, it's nothing but a float value. But date of birth year itself, it consists of three values. So that I've created another structure. What is this D? Yes colon. What is this? What is this D? This is nothing but a inner structure variable, right? For date
Yes,
of
sir.
birth, this is a structure named DOB. For that, I've created a variable called D. This is a inner structure variable. What is this student? What is this? Yes. Tell me here, this is outer structure variable, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes is nothing but a structure variable for student. Okay, that's why I didn't create any structure variable here. Directly I've created like this. So directly I gone for scanf. Okay, I'm going to get the values, input value for register number, name, mark 1, mark 2, mark 3. I'm going to calculate the average also, and I'm going to get the date of birth also. How I did this? Register number, name, M1, M2, M3, and all I'm using S dot, right? Why I'm using S dot?
So because they're a part of student.
Because it is a part of all the student, right? Register number, name, M1, M2,
Student
M3,
structure.
average are all student structure member, correct? Date, month, and year are, these are all the structure member of which structure? DOB, right? Tell me here,
Yes,
date,
sir.
month, and year are the structure member of student or DOB? Actually, it is a structure member of student, but it is first present inside the DOB structure, right? So for that only, up to this you got it. S dot register number, S dot name, S dot these are all the scanf. With the help of scanf, I'm getting the register number, name, mark 1, mark 2, mark 3, everything. Then average also I'm calculated it. Then what is this S dot D dot date? Why I'm put that for date only? Instead of s dot date, why I'm putting s dot d dot date? Tell me here.
So because DOB is a part of student itself.
This is an
So
inner structure, right? Inner structure data
yes, sir.
member, right? Structure member, right? So suppose if you are going to access the inner structure data member date, first, what is the syntax? Outer structure. Okay, syntax, shall I write it? Syntax is outer structure, outer structure variable name dot not inner structure variable name dot member name. Got it? So what is outer structure variable? Tell me here. What is the outer structure variable? S dot, right?
Yes, sir.
S dot inner structure variable D, right? So D
Yes.
dot date. Got it? Because date is the inner structure member. For in order to access the inner structure data member, the structure member, okay, what is the syntax? If you are going to access register number name and all, directly you can use outer structure member. Okay, S dot register number. Suppose if you are going to access the inner structure member, definitely outer structure member dot inner structure member dot this date. For date, month, year alone, S dot D dot date, S dot D dot month, S dot D dot year. And after that, this is for getting it. Okay, what you got? Again, use print all the printf statements for printing these details. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Why I'm not putting the ampersand here? For percentage, yes, no need to put the ampersand. Got it? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Up to this clear, do you have any? These are all the very important concepts in structures. Okay, array of structures, array within structures. So, shall we move to the next concepts? One minute more. See why I'm writing program in the sense you should have to understood. Okay, if I'm showing the PPT means simply seeing the PPT, I don't know how much part you get. After this, do you have got any doubt? Do you have any doubt? So okay, the same thing can be changed to address also, right? How will you get the address, ma? Suppose struct tell me here. Okay. Register number and register number, char name, okay, then again create another structure called address add. And that what are the address data members here? Door number, right?
Door number, street, road,
Very good. Char street name, right?
town or city.
Town Or tell me the data type. Town means definitely it's
Char.
a character, right? Then
So again, char
city. Then
state,
very good. Char state.
char country.
Char very good. Country. Then pin code.
Yes, sir. Integer.
Integer. It's an array of right? So for that, yes, you just created. For this, we also you can do. Okay, how will you access the register number here? Suppose if you are going to initialize. Okay, yes dot register number equal to 101. Okay, yes dot name equal to Arun. Then how will you initialize door number?
So door number can be a mixture of char and integer.
How will you initialize door number here? Yes dot a
Sir,
dot
my doubt was, will door number have to be int because door number can be char sometimes, right?
it depends upon the thing.
So
Okay, if you
just this
want
case, we're taking it as int.
door
Okay.
number always okay. Sometimes it may be a combination, right? 1 year,
Yes,
2
sir.
year. Right.
Yes, sir.
For that specific, you can give it as a character also. No problem.
Okay, sir.
Right. So S dot, I will initialize the door number. S dot A dot
S dot A dot
door number
number.
equal to, for example, 30. Okay. S dot A dot street name. Street name equal to some Chetinagar. Okay. S dot A dot town. Okay. Town equal to S dot city equal to Chennai. S dot A dot state Tamil Nadu. S dot A dot country equal to India. Then S dot A dot pin equal to 60120. Then by using the printf, we can print it. Got it? Now we got it, right? Structure within structure.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Another thing is this is called as embedded structure. There are two types of structure within. 1 minute. Okay, sorry. This is here. This is one thing, ma. Okay. Here, this is one type of nested structure. Another type is also there. Shall I write it here? First nested structure is, yeah, this is called as embedded structure. This is called as embedded structure. Structure. What is mean by embedded?
So structure, nested structure.
Yes, nested structure. Okay, structure is embedded within the another structure.
It's
Okay.
declared within another structure.
Here, another structure is also there that can be separate structure. Separate structure. Separate structure in the sense the same the nested structure concept can be written as a okay. For example, here I'm writing struct student. Okay, int register number char name, then struct what is that? Struct date of birth, DOB. Struct date of birth, int date, month, for example, if it is yes, this one is two. Now tell me. So like this, here you can put it my as include stdio.s. This is a full complete program. Okay. So for the here also you can put it as include stdio.h. Okay. How will you do this? What is this? Which one is outer structure and which one is this is also a structure within structure. How it called as? Because two separate structures are there, right? How you called as this is structure within structure? Tell me
So
here
because
anyone.
inside student itself,
Yes.
you have date of birth.
Inside the student, we are
You're calling the date of birth structure.
yes.
You're
Okay,
calling the
we are
structure.
just what you call okay, declared the another structure variable, right? As a data member, right?
So wouldn't that be calling the structure there?
Uh,
So
okay. Indirectly, we are calling it.
yes, sir.
Okay, in the structure. Okay, for what you have in the structure student, we have the two structure member called one is register number, another name, another one is date of birth. Okay, which is nothing but a part of another structure. Got it? So struct name structure variable is sorry here. What is this here? DOB. Got it? So structure variable, struct name and DOB can be declared here so that it can consist of this line. This is the key line for structure within the structure. Got it? So the same thing will be initialized here. Okay. So how will you initialize register number, name and date of birth of a particular student? Tell me here. Yes dot. You kindly answer me 101. Yes dot.
S dot name.
Name equal to Aditya. Then how will you initialize date,
Then
month and
S dot
year?
D S dot
S
DOB
dot
dot date.
yes DOB S why S dot DOB dot
That's the structure variable.
structure
Yes,
variable.
sir.
Structure variable, right? So in outer structure variable is okay. This yes, right? So date of birth is a inner structure variable. How it can be inner structure variable? Because structure within structure. This is an outer structure. This is called as inner structure. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So date and dot date. Date equal to some 27. Okay. 20 days DOB dot month equal to some 505. S dot DOB dot year equal to 2005. Got it? As usual, you just print it. Okay. By using the printf, you just just do the printf thing. How will you print it? Printf percentage D. How will you print it?
S dot register number, S dot name.
Percentage yes dot name. Then how will you print date of birth?
S dot DOB dot date.
Percentage D, percentage D, percentage D. Then
S dot DOB dot date and S
sorry,
dot DOB
yes,
dot
yes dot
month.
DOB dot date, comma, yes dot
DOB
DOB
dot
dot
month.
month, comma, yes dot DOB dot year. Got it? That's it. Do you have any doubt? Structure within structure? Two ways you can write it. This way also fine. This way also fine. One is embedded structure, another one is separate structure. Both are structure within structure one. Okay, next one is passing structure to the define function. What is this? Tell me here, this is also a very important concept.
So in one of the user-defined functions arguments, we use this. We pass a structure in it.
Very good, very good. Definitely we have user defined function, right? Like main function. Okay, user defined function is also there. Okay, so in that we are going to pass. Normally we should pass the variables, right? Int a, int b, like that we can pass it, right? Tell me yes or no. Here
Yes, sir.
instead of passing the, okay, we can also in the user defined function we have studied. Okay, we can also pass like this, right? 5, 6 we can call it, or otherwise we can also pass the array also, right? Tell me yes or no. As a
Yes, sir.
parameter. Otherwise, we can also pass the parameters, right? Sorry, pointers, right? Star p1, star p2, like pointer also we can use it, pass it. Okay. Otherwise, array of pointer also we can also able to pass it, right? Like this. Okay, parameters you can pass the values also, or we can also pass the arrays also, or you can also pass the address also, that is called by reference. Okay, or otherwise call by what do you call the array of pointers also can able to pass it. Then we can also pass like this, we can also pass the structure also, struct student, the structure variable you should have to get. Yes, got it. Tell me yes or no. Here you just look at this one. This is my add is my user defined function. Look at the parameter. What is this? Anyone? Only 2 members are listening. Others, can anyone? Dasna, are you there? Rishikesh, are you there? Tell me here what am I doing here?
So you're passing the
Passing the
structure
structure. Okay,
student
that is
as an
okay.
argument.
Yes. Yes. Here we are passing the structure. How I pass the structure? Struct student
Struct
variable.
student as
Variable. If I'm passing it means here you can directly access s dot register number. Got it? Equal to 101. S dot name equal to Arun. Got it? Where okay. Initially, you should have to create a structure called student. In that, you can define a structure member called register number, date, sorry, name, and all everything. Now we got it right. Passing arrays to the user defined function. Sorry, passing structure to the user defined function. Got it? Shall I write the program for this one? Shall I write it?
yes, sir.
Okay, look at this program and tell me. Tell me here, look at this program and tell me whether I have passed structure to the user-defined function as a parameter.
Yes, sir.
Which concept I have used here? Structure within structure or simply a structure?
So it's simply a structure.
Look at this. Look
No,
carefully and
sir.
tell me.
You are using structure inside structure.
Structure. Why it is called a structure within structure?
So because in struct employee, you're also
Yes,
Yes,
sir. In
calling
struct
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 employee,
employee.
you have
Here.
struct address add.
In the struct
See.
employee, I've used the another structure call, right, as a data member, right? Struct
Yes, sir.
address add, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
struct address, the variable name I passed here. Okay, I declared here. So within the main function, what is this actually? Where is user? Is this, there is any user defined function I have declared? I have created. Is there is any user defined function in this program?
So void display.
Very good. Here, this is nothing but a function call or function declaration or function definition.
Function definition.
This one, this line. This is function declaration, right? First, we
Function
should have to declare the
declaration.
function, right? Because
Yes, yes.
function declaration should be done before the main function, right? So before the main function, look at the parameter, struct employee, right? What are all the parameters I have passed? We have passed the passing structure, right? Here I have passed the structure. Got it? Struct employee. Okay, the structure name I have passed it. Got it? Where I call the structure here, why employee emp dot name, why emp while getting the input for city pin state, why I'm using emp dot add dot city.
So
What is this?
because struct address is inside struct employee.
Okay, structure, this is nothing but structure within structure. Okay, address is actually present within that employee structure. Got it? So that while accessing, this is nothing but a inner structure member. How I'm going to access the inner structure member? Outer structure variable dot inner structure variable dot member name. Outer structure variable is emp. Okay, that I've created here. Inner structure variable is add address. Okay, this dot city for pin and state also. Okay, the city, pin code, and state I'm getting. I'm by using this only. I'm getting it. After that, where I'm calling this one, the display function, it is used to display whatever the details I'm getting it within the display function. I'm going to print it. That's it. Okay, you look at this. Look at this thing. What is this? Why I'm passed emp here? What is this emp? What is this emp? Outer structure variable, right?
So you haven't written that, so I think you need to add that.
Where?
Because
Yeah.
so in struct employee after the bracket, shouldn't you write emp? Because that's not there, right?
No, here you are telling, right? Where
Sir,
you are telling? In
in
display,
struct employee,
instruct employee. Okay.
we haven't written struct employee's variable name as emp anywhere.
Here, so here for that only I created, right? Here, struct employee emp is nothing but a structure variable for employee structure. Got it?
Oh, okay. So
The,
we don't necessarily have to add it after the structures bracket.
yes. This is optional only.
Oh, okay.
Suppose if you are given this, you don't want to give this line.
Okay. So got it.
Got it, right? So you just look at these things. So just I'm passing the variables, outer structure variable. So it's a call function directly. Where it will go? It will go here.
Down.
Display function struct employee emp will be passed. So through the emp, you are just printing the details, right? Whatever the details you are getting from the user, that and all you are going to print it. Got it? Through the employee. Just now I told, right? S dot this number 101 like that. Emp dot name value are going to print it. Emp dot add dot city, that is city are going to print it. Then pin code you are going to print it. Then address, state you are going to print it. Clear? Is it clear, ma?
Yes, sir.
So last concept. Passing array of structures. What does mean by array of structures? Tell me here, what is the difference between these two? Here EMP, right? We are
So
passing, right? We are
we
passing the structure,
pass,
right?
yes, sir.
Suppose we are passing EMP of 10. Means, what is this? Passing array of structure, right? What is mean by array of structure?
It's an array containing all its variables
Uh,
as structures.
Student, okay, S of 10. This is called as array of structure, right? Tell me here, structure variable is there. Structure variable in the form of array, that's what is called as array of structure. Okay, suppose the same user defined function, for example, in the display function, if I pass, okay, what is the struct? Employee, right? Employee, okay, struct employee, emp of, if I use like this means, what is this? We are passing the array of structure, right? Tell me here.
Yes, sir.
Passing structure to the user defined function we have discussed. Passing structure. Okay, here we are going to pass the array of structure. Array of structure is this employee. EMP is nothing but a single structure variable. If you use EMP of 10 in the sense, that is nothing but a array of structure. If you are going to pass here, okay, EMP of 10, if you are going to pass it in the okay, here also EMP this of array we have, if you put it, that is called as passing array of passing array of structures to the user defined function. Shall we write the code for that? Look at this program and tell me. What is this? See, this is the program. Okay, just I'm getting the employee details using the structures, employee ID, name, and salary. I'm getting it from the user. From that, okay, just I'm printing it. Those person who are getting the salary greater than 10,000, just I'm printing those employee ID, name, and salary. Got it? If their employee, if any employee, okay, suppose if I'm going to get the 10 employee details, 10 employers, employee ID, name, and different salary, 10 the salaries I'm going to get it, 10 per different salaries I'm going to 10% different salary details and all I'm going to get it. So is among 10%, if any 2% salary is greater than 15 greater than 10,000 means I'm going to print it. Whatever whoever the person are getting greater than 10,000 salary, I'm going to print it by using the array of structures. Where I've used the array of structure concepts? Tell me here, anyone? Are you there, anyone?
So
Don't
yes,
know what.
sir.
So struct employee 10.
Okay, where I've used the structure concepts, structure employee is there. Whether I've used
Struct
structure within structure,
employee.
whether I've
Yeah,
used structure within structure concept.
no, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
only one
You
structure is there.
you only
Within the
declared one structure.
only one structure. Where is array of structures?
Sir, in void main, I think.
And void main
In void
struct
main.
employee. For
Yes, sir.
creating the structure variable for employee, here it is nothing but an array, right? So this is nothing but an array of structure. That means 10 employees ID, okay, 10 employees ID, name and salary, I'm going to get it. That's what I created as an array of structure. By using the for loop, what I'm doing it? Tell me here. YEFI dot ed, YEFI dot EFI dot name, YEFI dot I dot salary. Tell me here, what is this? By using the for loop, okay, I'm going to get the 10 employees ID,
So
name, and
first,
salary.
yes, sir. Each employee's ID you'll be scanning.
Okay, for all this, okay, for 10 employees, I'm going to get their employee name, sorry, ID, employee name, and employee salary. I'm going to get it. Then, where I use the function concept, user defined function is there. What is user defined function? This program.
So void display struct
Here, this is the
employee.
function declaration, right? You just look at this closely. Here, I'm going to pass the structure. Just I pass the structure or array of structure. Look at this template and tell me. Look at the parameters list and tell me. Definitely, I'm going to
Array of
pass the structure,
structure.
right? Because struct is the keyword is there, so I'm going to pass the structure. Whether it is a single structure variable or array of structure variable. Array of structures, right?
Array of
Struct
structures.
employee, then this one, array of structures. Okay, where I call this one, call this user defined function. Where I called this one, right? Display, right?
Yes, sir.
Display, what I passed, array name only should have to pass, not the values, correct? If array name is passed, definitely value is also going to be passed. That is the meaning. Okay, passing arrays to a function also, okay, we have did the same thing. Like that, the same thing only we are going to do. Only structured variable only we should pass it. Okay, where the control will goes, here the control will goes, he is belong to a structured variable, array of structure. So it will match a struct employee. He is nothing but an array of structure. By using the for loop, what I'm checking it, what I'm going to print, employee salary greater than 10,000 only we are going to print it. Okay, in a office, okay, we are going to, okay, there should be an n number of employees is there. Okay, we from this n number of employees, those who are getting above 10,000 only, we are going to print those details. For that only we are checking it, right? Tell me here, yes or no? By
Yes, sir.
using the for loop, we are checking that e dot, okay, e of I dot salary is greater than this. First it will check first employee salary. If it is greater than 10,000, it will be print the employee ID, name, and salary. Next one, second employee. Suppose if it is not less than 10,000, it will fetch us the second one. It won't print that detail. Suppose if any employee salary is 8,000, it won't print those details. Okay. Is it clear to all? Is it clear to all?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any doubt in this program?
No, sir.
Okay. 1 minute, and the last thing. Suppose. Look at this program and tell me what I'm doing this. What I'm done. This is called as pointers and structures. What I've used here? Did I use any pointers concepts?
Yes, sir.
Sorry, pointers to structures.
So your point, you initialized
Here,
point to the
here, how many
variable.
structure variables are there? Two structure
One,
variables are
two
there.
structure
Two way.
variables.
One is normal structure variable. Another one is pointer structure variable. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So what is mean by pointers? It is used to store the address of another variable, right? Since it is a pointer structure variable, it is used to store the address of another pointer structure variable. Got it? Another structure variable. Got it? So S2 equal to address of S1. So okay. So now S2 stored the address of S1. So through the S2, I'm accessing the register number name. Instead of dot operator, if you are going to use pointer, instead of dot operator, what you should have to use? Arrow mark operator. Got it?
Yes, sir.
This is the key difference. If you are going to access the pointers to structure, means definitely not you are not supposed to use dot operator. You are supposed to use arrow mark operator. Is it clear to all?
So here, sir, we're doing it for 2 students.
No, only one student.
So then why do we have
See,
why are
for
we
instead
printing
of
the
the
address and the register number and name?
no, now here we are getting the uh, details here. Register number we are getting it 101 Arun. Again, I'm printing on 101 Arun with
Yes,
the
sir,
help
but
of pointer
here,
variable.
yes, sir, but in here we're pointing ampersand S2 to register number, and then we're pointing S2 to register number, right?
Yes, S2 to register number, right? This one, right?
Yes, sir.
This we are printing it.
Oh, okay, got it.
Okay, this is we are getting the input with the help of pointer variable S2.
Yes, I
Okay,
got it.
so if you are looking this, okay, star S2 means okay, automatically okay, this pointer, okay, this points towards this one. register number address can be stored in S2. Okay, name address can be stored in this S2. Then
Yes, sir. Got
after
it.
this, we are printing it. That's it. Okay, that's it. Up to this, we'll stop. Okay, the next class we are going to discuss about the union concept. The same thing. Okay, the only the keyword is instead of struct, what you should have to put it.
Union.
Union. Okay, there should be an array of union is there. So we'll tell
Sir,
you the
I don't
difference.
think so.
No, only union. Array of union doesn't
Array of
work.
unions doesn't
Doesn't work.
exist, sir.
Yes, I'll tell you the reason. Okay, in the next class. Shall I take the attendance?
Yes, sir.
Let me check how many members are really attend the classes. This number 1,
Present, sir.
2,
Present, sir.
3. This number 3. Three is absent.
So
Sir,
three.
yes.